Hello, once again, you welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And basically, what we do is that we analyze the financial market, look out for potential market moves that traders can use as a guide to help them in their decision making. Okay, and if you check our previous weekly market outlooks, they've been good so far. You can check them up like on our YouTube channel. Okay, the platform that is giving me the money to trade is the proptrade.com. So if you're a trader, you lack funds to trade, you can just visit the proptrade.com to get at least $5,000 to start trading. And the other thing too is that you're going to get education, okay, quality education that's going to also help you in your decision making, and also get weekly market outlooks, trading ideas in one way or the other. They call it signals. Okay, they're also going to help you. So if you have, or if you already have an account, you can click on the black circle at the top right corner to log into your account. If you don't have it, you can click on the register to register an account. Now, with our analysis, we do the technical analysis, we do the fundamental analysis. So this is how I approach it. So I visit the proptrade.com, as you can see on your screens. I move the mouse, you can see valuation, you can see trading, you can see resources, affiliates, and all of that. On the trading, you click on trading, and then you see economic calendar. Okay, so that is where I look out for my fundamental, I get my fundamental analysis done. I scroll down, I ensure the date is right. Okay, so today is 23rd to Friday, which is 28th. So I click on apply and then see the market events coming up and how they're also going to affect the markets. And I click on filter. Okay, so I scroll down, select all. Okay, so any news coming up, in relation to central bank rates, bonds, inflation, employment, and all of that, I'm interested. And then the importance of the news, I'm interested in low impact, middle impact, or medium impact news, and then high impact news. All of that matters to me. Okay, but it depends on the trader and the style. Some can just focus on high impact news. Okay, then after that, I click on and apply. So on Sunday, that's today, these are the news coming up. I think they're already up. And then on Monday, Japan holiday. You scroll down, you have news, CPI news from the Eurozone coming up. Canada, Governor Oki is also speaking. US also 3 months bail auction also coming up. On Tuesday, we have all of these news coming up from Europe, Britain, US, and all of that. On Wednesday, we have news coming up from Australia, monthly CPI indicator. Japan also news coming up. US as usual. And then on Thursday, we have Australia news coming from Australia, capital expenditure, and all of that. Switzerland, we have GDP coming up. In the Eurozone, we have consumer confidence also news also coming up. US too, we have news, all of these news also coming up. Japan, we have CPI news coming up, and then on Friday we have Australia, news coming up from Australia, New Zealand, UK, and US, also news coming up from there. So looking at all of these, if you are looking out to trade, you can pay more attention to maybe Euro USD, USD JPYs, AUD JPYs, and all. But for me, news coming out from Australia and then news coming from US, I'm interested in that in the coming week. So I would prefer to trade, when it comes to the forex market, I would like to trade AUD USD, okay, because of the news coming from Australia and then news coming from US. But the other news coming from Europe and all of that, okay. Now that I'm done with, looking out for events coming up in a week, for me, that caters for my fundamental analysis. Now I need to log into my account to get my technical analysis down. So I move the mouse to the top right corner. I click on the black circle here. Click on it like this. Okay, and because I want to log into my account, then I click on login. Okay, so if you have, you log into your account, okay, there are I mean, that is where you're going to get your analysis done. But there's one thing we need to pay very good attention to is the prop trade gives you the money to trade, but your analysis you do it on a trading platform called the Trade Locker, okay, which is similar to that of the MT5, MT4, and all of that. So you move the mouse to the left side, okay, where you click on I have funded accounts, okay, so I click on funded accounts like this. And as you can see, I have $100,000 funded accounts. My total profits floating now $1,005. So the prop trade.com is giving me the funds to trade. It's like somebody giving me money to buy something from a market for him or her. But where do I get the analysis done? So I move the mouse to the right side. I click on Trade Locker like this. So then the Trade Locker page pops up, okay, as we all can see here. Okay, that's fine. So as you can see, where at the right side, okay, where I have the mouse is what we call or where we have the instruments, okay, and then down here where you can see the margin and all, sell, and then the buy is where we call the order panel. Here is where we call the trade panel, okay, and here is where we have the charts where you are going to look out for the pattern and get your technical analysis done. So I said I'm interested in AUDUSD, okay, Australian dollar again, United States dollar. Why? Because there will be news coming out from Australia and then news coming out from US. So in the forex market, I would like to trade AUDUSD. So I move the mouse to the top right side. In the search bar, I click there and type in AUDUSD. Okay, so you see AUDUSD Pro. The reason I'm selecting Pro is that AUDUSD Pro, because the account type that I'm using is the Pro account. Okay, so when you are getting your account or when you are getting funded, you can get an Express account, standard account, or Pro account. So I'm using a Pro account. So I click on Pro, AUDUSD Pro. So as you can see, I have the charts here, but I want to have the charts, full charts to myself. So what do? I double tap on the black, white vertical line like this. And then I have the charts all to myself. Okay, as we can see. Okay. So we have this. Oh, a moment. Okay. All right. So I can see that the market has been trending up for some time now. So I look out for my vertical, my uptrend line. So I move the mouse to the side, left side. Click here, I select the trend line. This is where the uptrend move started. So I click here, I drag the line throughout to this. Okay. Moment. Okay. So as you can see, or we can all see, I picked the arrow here, okay, to indicate where the uptrend line move started. So it started from here. Or the uptrend move started. Okay, so it started from here, and then at this point it got rejected here. And currently, as we can all see, we can see that the candlestick has broken the uptrend line to the downside. Okay, so if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you can place your sell and have your stop loss above the uptrend line, or if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the upside for you to place your buy order, and then have your stop loss below the uptrend line. So in all of these, ensure that you manage your risk properly, have your stop loss in check, have your take profits too in check. Okay, but all of these will depend on your risk appetite. Okay, so if you are looking out for a trade opportunity in AUDUSD, this is how to go about it. So this is for the forex market. Okay, now in the crypto markets, or let's say in the commodities market, I would like us to look at gold. Okay, so you type in XAUUSD. Okay, that is gold. I click on here. Okay, so with that too, I have the charts all to myself once again, and as we can see, we can also see that it's been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, so there's a 4-hour chart. So we pick our trend line, and then we indicate where the uptrend move started. Okay. Okay. So this is it. So this is it. Okay. Let me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So this is where the uptrend move started. Okay. So let me pick the arrow. This started from here, and then the price got rejected at this point. Okay. Now after the rejection, and currently, as we can see, price is getting rejected by the uptrend line at this point. So if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place your buy and have your stop loss below the uptrend line. Or if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the downside, and there you can place your sell trade and have your stop loss above the uptrend line. And once again, like I said, depending on the risk appetite, ensure that you have your stop loss in there, you have your take profit somewhere, you ensure that your lot sizes are all properly in check based on your risk appetite. But then what I'm sharing with you is the opportunities, the key levels that you need to look at as a trader. Okay, so this is gold. If you want to trade gold in the coming week, this is how you need to look at it, and then see how best you can make good use of it. So if you also want to trade Bitcoin, which is in the crypto market, okay, so we move the mouse to the top right. Once again, we search BTCUSD. Okay, so you click on it like this. So this is the Bitcoin chart. A moment. All right, this is how it has been for some time now. Okay, so if you are with a Bitcoin chart too, if you're a trader looking out for a trade idea, okay, looking at this, if you look at this closely, I can see that it's been in an uptrend for some time now, even though it's consolidating, but it's been an uptrend generally looking for some time now. So I still draw my trend line here. Okay, so here you can see that I started from this point here, and then price got rejected at this point, and then it got rejected at this point too. Okay, so if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, whilst we have the candlestick above the uptrend line, you can choose to buy, or you can wait for the candlestick to come down a bit and get rejected by the uptrend line. Then you place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the uptrend line. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the downside, and then you place your sell trade and have your stop loss above the uptrend line. Okay, and like I always say, ensure that you apply proper and solid risk management, okay, where you apply your stop loss, your take profit, and all of that, depending on your risk appetite. Once again, you are welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook, and I shared with you opportunity, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, opportunities in the crypto market where we look at BTCUSD, opportunity in the commodities market where we looked at gold, opportunities in the forex market where we looked at AUDUSD. Okay, so with all of these, you can use them as an educational material to help you in your decision making. Okay, if you're a trader looking out for quality education, you can reach out to us, theproptrade.com, get an account managed, reach out to us for all the education you need, signals, trade ideas, guidance, and all of that. Once again, you are welcome. Ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.